Brad Hall here, MSCHF. They sent me this box that's right in front of me. It's their latest sneaker creation. Now, MSCHF is no stranger to controversy. There was the Jesus shoe, the Satan shoe, and the most recent Wavy Baby. Will their newest release cause a real stir like those other releases? Only time will tell. But what I can tell you right now is a lot of stuff about this shoe that's in this box. Stay tuned. Thanks, MSCHF, for sending me these shoes. This pair is called the SuperNormal, which you can see right on the box there. And it's a very heavy box, so should be a pretty high quality pair of shoes in here. There's a card in the box. Double-sided printing, they didn't skimp at all. And here is the SuperNormal, MSCHF's latest creation. It looks like they took a similar design approach as they did on the Wavy Baby, taking a familiar silhouette, the Air Force One, and just turning it on its head. It's in that classic all-white colorway, which they're calling it Coke White on the box. That's a fun detail. What's so interesting about these shoes is that from a distance, maybe even more than an arm's length, you might mistake it for a classic Air Force One, but up close it looks nothing like it. Everything on the upper has been distorted, the paneling, the holes so your feet can breathe, the choker that the laces wear, that's got this waviness to it. So does that tongue area and the logo on the tongue. Even on the heel area, not a single straight line. Everything is almost hand drawn. It's got a very fluid feel to it. Even the sole gets in on the action, a very wavy, curvy pattern down there. It is interesting that conceptually this is similar to the Wavy Baby, but they didn't go as extreme on this one, so I think it's kind of more of an everyday wear kind of pair. I noticed that the leather, it did feel pretty soft, pretty supple, so I want to take a closer look at that. It is seeming pretty nice, so let's see. Let's just go through. In that toe box, you can see it's making that nice little bit of creasing there. I think these are gonna break in and look amazing after you've worn them a bit. Oh yeah, it's got a nice squeeze to it. A little bit more rigid up in this area. There is more panels up here, but this toe box right here, that section of it, very soft. You can see just how this shoe really moves. The upper is just giving way when I squeeze it. You're gonna really like feeling these shoes. I know I am right now. This feels really good. MSCHF sent me my normal size in these, and they feel just like the right size. So my normal size, that's what I'm happy with. Feeling good. When I saw the promo photos of this shoe, I was worried that they would make me feel a little bit queasy when I was looking at them up close. It's that upper, it's got so much waviness, almost a hypnotic quality to it. Wasn't sure how that was gonna go on my stomach. I did have a bucket nearby just in case, but I'm happy to say that staring at these shoes, they didn't make me feel sick at all. Like I said earlier, the beauty of this shoe, you get a really classic look from a distance, that white summer shoe look. If a person sees you from a block away, they might not pay much attention to you, but up close, they're gonna see your feet and say, what the heck is going on with those shoes? Definitely going to be a conversation starter. MSCHF's latest, it's called the SuperNormal. And if you're interested in a pair, it is on MSCHF's app. Let me just pull that up here. So there it is in the app already. It's coming out June 23rd, 1 p.m. Central Time. That is 2 p.m. Eastern Time. I believe it's going to be a drawing for these. So I hope all of this info about this shoe was helpful. And thanks everyone for watching.